Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with our interesting topic, that is the best 80s and 90s cars in India. So let's get started. The old Indian cars from 80s and 90s were more than just Tata automobile. They also had a story. People at those times used to have a personal attachment to those old cars and to treat like a family member. So the first car is Hindustan Contessa. Hindustan Contessa is a model of a car manufactured by Hindustan Motors of India. When it is introduced in 1983, it was one of the few Indian manufactured luxury car in the market. The Contessa was a popular choice among the government and official. Contessa production ends in 2002. So the second car is Hindustan Ambassador. Yes, Hindustan Ambassador is a model of a car manufactured by Hindustan Motors. It was in production from 1958 to 2014 with few improvements, and Ambassador was a status symbol in India but began its losing its dominance in mid 1980s. So the third car is Premier Padmini. Premier Padmini is an automobile that was manufactured in India from 1964 to 2000 by Premier Automobile. The Padmini premier competitor in Indian market was the Hindustan Ambassador. So the fourth car is Maruti Suzuki 800. Maruti Suzuki 800 is a small city car that was manufactured by Maruti Suzuki in India from 1983 to 2014. In India, about 2.87 millions of 800 were produced during its course, of which 2.66 millions were sold in India itself. So the fifth car is Toyota Qualis. Toyota Qualis was launched in January 2000. Toyota Qualis marks the entry level. The company had already launched an ad campaign in 1999, but later it was discontinued in 2005. So the sixth car is Maruti Suzuki Zen. The Maruti Suzuki Zen is a five-door hatchback produced and sold in India by Maruti Suzuki. It has acquired significant popularity in India since the nameplate was first introduced in 1993. So seventh car is Tata Indica. Tata Indica is a super mini car manufactured by Indian manufacturer Tata Motors since 1998. It is first passenger car from Tata Motors, and it is also considered India's first ingenious developed car. So last but not the least, it's a Maruti Suzuki Steam. The Maruti Suzuki Steam was first introduced in the first half of 1995. It was the first attempt of Suzuki in compact segment. Later on, it was discontinued in 2008. So these are the best 80s and 90s cars in India. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, smash that like button, share this video, comment your suggestions, and subscribe to my channel.